Hello, I'm Lisa from the Wee House of Crochet and welcome to Knitcraft Water Garden Crochet Along, and we're on week 3. So if you need to read the introduction to this one this week, and the reason being is that the instructions are asking you to make 9 white hydrangea blocks. And on joining, that is numbered as the number 4. But anyway, you need to make 9 white hydrangea blocks. Plus, you also need to make 6 oriental magnolia blocks. So you'll need to go back to one of the earlier videos to have a look at those patterns for the oriental magnolias. So, if you look at the pattern, you will see that the image on the pattern is actually showing a yellow version of the block, and that the pattern is also showing you 2 colourways. There's a yellow and a white version. The white is highlighted in red with a colourway of E, 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 E and a C, D. So anyway, you'll need your white and you'll need your light blue. Okay, so what we're going to do is start from the beginning. Don't forget, you will need 9 of these this week. So using the white, what we're going to do is chain 4, or you can do a magic circle. I prefer chain 4. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then slip stitch into the first chain to form a loop. For some reason I can't even get my fingers in there. There you go. Right, now the pattern says to chain 1, but this does not count as a stitch, so we're just chaining 1, probably just to get the height. Then we're going to work 12 double crochets into the loop. Now I'm going to work over my tail for this as well. So double crochet, remember we're using UK terms, so that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Feels fiddly this today. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 9, move that yarn, getting on my nerves. So 9, and you might just need to pull those stitches around sometimes. 10, 11 and 12. So that is 12 double crochet into that loop. So now it's a slip stitch to the top of the first double crochet. So there's my slip stitch, and I've just worked over those ends, so I'm more than comfortable with just giving that a snip to get rid. Okay, so there you go. Now we're not fastening off, we're going to carry on. In fact, I think I'll just jump into round 2 while I'm here. Right, we're on round 2. So continuing with this colour, what we need to do is chain 3. So that's 1, 2 and 3. Now this chain 3 counts as a treble. Now what we're going to do is work a starting popcorn. So if you go back to your introduction file, that will explain what a start popcorn is. But this is basically a start popcorn is a popcorn, but you've literally got that chain 3 at the beginning. So the popcorn's made of 5 trebles. So we've already done 1, remember, because this chain 3 counts as 1. So I'm going to work another 4 into this same space. So that's 1 treble. Well, actually, no, it's 2. Okay, there's 3 treble and 4 treble and 5 treble. So now what I'm going to do is just pull that loop there to make it large. I'm going to pop my hook into the 3rd chain at the beginning chain 3, like that. And then I'm going to catch that and just give it a tug. And then I'm going to pull it back through that chain. So it's like that. Okay. What we're going to do then is chain 2, and then we're going to skip the next stitch. So sometimes it's a little bit hidden like this one. So we are skipping that one there. So we're skipping that one, and what we're going to do is work a popcorn into the next stitch. So this first one was your start popcorn, and this is the next one. So we're going to work a 5 trebles, which forms a popcorn. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, bag of stuffing, and 5. I'm going to take that out. Now we're popping the hook into the top under those 2 of that first treble. Push that on over your hook, give it a tug and pull through. And there is your second popcorn. Chain 2, because what we're doing now is it says to repeat a further 5 times. Chain 2, slip stitch into the chain at the back of the first popcorn. Anyway, so what we need is 6 of these all the way around. So I'm going to skip the next stitch and we're going to just do another popcorn. So there's 1 treble, 2 treble, 3, 4, and 5. The last time I'll do this one. Pull that up, pop your hook into the top of the first treble, pull it through and give it a tug. So there you are, I've done 3. I'm going to disappear while I upload this onto YouTube, and I'll do the other 6 and I'll see you back at round 3. Remember, because I've just done 1 and 2, so I'll see you back at round 3.